Alright. What's going on? Alright, so this is the Z9 Mini with the second fan on the back of it. I'm just going to show you how easy it is to put it on by taking it apart first real quick. So you have these 4 screws on the back. You need a Phillips screwdriver for them. And that won't, you can turn it upside down or over. Remove the other screws on the bottom. And this part comes right off. Well, it's attached right here. But, okay. So, I took the fan and zip tied it to the Z9 Mini grate on the back. You can see here it is a 2.7 amp fan. Got it off eBay for about $15 or so, and just zip tied on the back. You got the cord that you put into the board, the Z9 Mini, and that's all it takes. A couple of zip ties, a Phillips head screwdriver, and maybe 10 minutes of your time and less, and you're pretty much set. And this is the Mini with the second fan on. Significantly louder than before. And I'll post up a recording real quick of the temperatures and what they are at now. And a screenshot of what they were before. Alright, so this is a screenshot of the temperatures. This is like maybe a week or two ago. And this is running at 650 frequency. And temperatures were 74, 71, and 70. Sometimes they did get higher than that, depending how hot the day was. And as you see here, no second fan, only one fan. And that's only at 650 frequency, guys. And I've had the miner going here for a little bit, not too long, only about 3 minutes, but the temperature in that room hasn't really changed at all. And this is running at 750 for frequency. As you can see here, it's got the second fan as well going. And the temperatures are 67, 64, 64. So they're about, 5 or 6 degrees. 5 or 6 degrees or so cooler. Plus it's running at a higher frequency. So if I was to run the miner at 650 megahertz, these temperatures would probably be, instead of, 67, 64, 64, they're probably going to be like 64, 61, 61 or something really. So, I'll link down below the fan that I bought off eBay. I think it was like $15 or so. But yeah, that's about it, guys. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.